Insta360 Ace Pro 2, mode on. Swipe down to the left, cog gear, camera information. Ace Pro 2, serial number, camera firmware V1.1.18, camera hardware 02, camera MCU 1.1.11, main screen, swipe down, endurance mode, enable, a straight blue badge with nothing in it, enable. Enabling screen will go blank, endurance mode is on, highlighted in blue. Turning endurance mode off, we are back to the off position. When adding in a Bluetooth microphone, turn the mic on, wait for the camera to enable now, back out. Swipe down, endurance mode, enable, the camera has basically locked and shut it down. The microphone is off. Hard boot, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn on the camera, short press, the camera started up, microphone's in flashing, swipe down, endurance mode will now work 100%. Enable on and off. Bluetooth enabled, enable Bluetooth, back out, turn on endurance mode, works this time. Enable Bluetooth, Bluetooth on, turn endurance mode off, and you see Bluetooth enabled and enabling endurance mode on and off. Let's turn on endurance mode again. And we have a locked out camera. Due to the Bluetooth and endurance mode, this is a bug, an issue. The camera is locked out.